welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Naseen. I am a mom to 4 beautiful, wonderful kids, a floofy, fluffy, a floofy, fluffy husky, and 2 kitty kitties. I am 36 years old, soon to be 37. My birthday is this month. And I do day in the life of keto vlogs, what I ate in a day, reviews, hauls, just me. If you like that, like this video. See how many likes we can get on this video. I get way more views than likes, and the more likes and comments a video has, the more it pushes it out into the YouTube algorithm land of wonder. So let's try to push my videos out into the land of wonder, because then it makes more people come and more clicky clickies.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Is that even legal to tell you? Anyways, more clicky clickies. You clicky long time? You likey? Alright, I'm gonna go listen to some music. Had to stop to use the bathroom. I've never had to stop for myself, but I drank an entire collagen coffee and woo! I was about to die. So yeah, I had to pee so bad. It was the longest pee of my life. Hello, all you Indiana ketoers. Hey guys. I'm driving and I thought to myself, I should really tell the vlog this. When was it? It was a couple years ago. Chris and I think we were going to Chicago for a fighting game tournament that he was competing in. And on our way to Chicago and on my way to Illinois every summer when I go, there's always a gazillion crazy Kaplan's fireworks billboards. Always. So I'm nearing Chicago now. Well, not really. I have a good maybe an hour-ish. Not even. I don't know. Whatever. Beyond the point. I'm nearing Chicago. I'm starting to see the signs. Because in Illinois, fireworks are illegal. Certain fireworks are illegal. Michigan, they're not illegal. Indiana, they're not illegal. Wisconsin, they're not illegal. So it just started raining. Like, where's even a cloud that has rain in it? It's so bright out. I'm so confused. Maybe it wasn't raining in the car in front of me. It was cleaning their windshields. Oh my God, this is so all over the place. I have heartburn. Okay, where was I? So there's these billboards are everywhere. That year we counted to like 36 billboards. And when you get closer to Chicago, when you actually are in Illinois, you don't get those billboards anymore. But what you then get, because when you first come in, you're near like the baseball field and stuff for like the Cubs and the White Sox, Wrigley Field, whatever. And then there's tons and tons and tons of billboards for hair loss with different football players for the Chicago Bears and different baseball players for like the Cubs and the White Sox and stuff. And there's like 20 or 25 of those. So it's just funny. And when I do get to Chicago now, I'm not going through like the downtown Chicago because I'm taking a no tollway. I don't care. Add the extra 30 minutes onto my trip. I hate going through downtown. I hate it. The tolls, I don't want to spend $14 in tolls to go through. Traffic isn't as bad anymore that they've finished a lot of their construction over the past couple of years, but it's not fun. But hopefully I will go away where you're still able to see the Chicago skyline, because it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city. If you've never been to Chicago, if you've never passed through, it's almost magical. It's a very beautiful place. some areas. Some areas are not so great, but I'm sure everybody has a ghetto and a bad side of town and everything. If you don't know this about me, I am from Illinois. I am about an hour, 20 minutes from Chicago, where I'm from a town called Rockford, which is right at the tip top of Illinois, about 30 minutes from the border of Wisconsin. So I've gone to Wisconsin billions of times, and that's where I lived up until about almost 5 years ago. I moved to Michigan, and that's where I reside and love, and I feel like it is home. So my kids go for the summer usually to their dad's, but the twins' dad is in prison again. Welcome to my life. And my daughter's dad is a big pile of POS who picks and chooses when he wants to have a daughter. He'll have me and his other kids' lives picking and choosing, and picks and chooses when he wants to be in her life. So my son's dad is the only decent man and father to his children. I really know how to pick him, right? No, he is a good person. He really is a good person, and he's always been there for Corey. Always. So my boyfriend has stepped up, and over the past years, he's a great father figure to Tiffany and Reese and Peyton, and even to Corey. And I'm very thankful to have somebody like that in my life. For them, for me, he's an overall great guy. He really is. I can't give him enough props. But where was I going with this? They're staying at my mom's. They stayed at my mom's for about 3.5 weeks, and I'm going to pick them up. So I'm going to be there. Today is Thursday, the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I'm going to be there at about 1:30 today, and then I'm leaving Saturday at like 1. So we should be home like 5 or 6. And Link is going to be so absolutely excited. I cannot wait for him to see the kids and for the cats to see them, because Macy has been crying at the boys' room. Macy is the twins' cat. So it looks like we're coming up to some traffic here, and when I leave my phone up here too long in this sun, it starts to overheat. So I will see you guys soon. Welcome to Illinois. All right, there we go. If you can see it, hopefully you can. Chris just called me. I'm trying to adjust that so you guys can see it. You see it? You see it, you guys? That's Chicago. So I just have to get gas, and it is so much more expensive here. $3.15. Oh my God. Back on the road. Hey guys, I'm about an hour and 22 minutes in. I don't understand why I get such anxiety when I come here. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I associate this with my ex-husband. If you don't know that story, scroll back through my videos and find the domestic violence one. I don't know. I thought it was heartburn, but now it's anxiety. Like, most of the time when I get anxiety, it's like, it's not like this. It's not the kind that you're like, your hands are shaking and you get chest pain. Oh, somebody has like a little Woody hanging from the back of their car from Toy Story. But this anxiety that I'm getting right now, this is like, I haven't had anxiety like this in a long time. It's the chest pain. And no, it's not a heart attack. I know what, I've had anxiety attacks before. I know what it is. Sorry. I just get really annoyed. Somebody's like, it's because you're having a heart attack. No, it isn't. I know the difference. Well, I mean, I know what an anxiety attack feels like. I don't know what a heart attack feels like. Plus, my heart's over here. But chest pain to where I just want to like push on it. I just want to, it feels, I don't feel it if I push on it. So I'm just going to be an idiot and stand here with my hand on my chest. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm just freaking out. I don't know why. I should be happy, right? I should be excited. I'm seeing my family. I'm getting my kids. I am excited for that, but I'm still having anxiety about it to the point where, like, I want to cry right now. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know why. My eyes are getting watery, like. I just thought I would, like, get on here and kind of, I don't know, show. Everybody always says that I'm real and I show real life stuff. Okay, this is a real life anxiety. I don't know why I'm having it, but it's here. Just like big deep breaths are helpful. And I was just telling myself today, because I started getting anxiety yesterday about the trip, that maybe I need to be back on the pills. I'm gonna go back to listen to some music and just relax. Goose forever. So I'm here at my mom's house and nobody is here. All of their phones are going straight to voicemail. I have to pee super bad. And I don't know what's going on. I told them I would be here at 1. It's 1:38. I called Corey, I called Tiffany, I called my mom, I called my stepdad. Everybody's number is going straight to voicemail. So I don't even know where they went camping. I don't know what I'm doing. So I am at Big Lots here. I'm going to check and see if they have their Quest bars for 85 cents here, since I don't have them at my house. And then I finally got a hold of my mom. They didn't start packing up until about 20 minutes ago, so it's an hour drive for them. So I got an hour to kill. So that's what I'm doing. Well, that was a bust. Wow, missed you guys.
What do you want? My choice is here. Right.
Huh? We're going to get food.
Be for real, dog.
So they don't get forgotten.
Are you recording
Here.
the video?
Ooh,
Yes.
got my shades.
She's recording. She's doing epic recording.
I look amazing.
I'm hungry. It's what time?
Food o'clock.
5:54 and I've not eaten anything yet except for 1 ounce of
Cheese.
pepper jack cheese and a fork full of shredded pork. Oh, I'm sweating. Welcome back to the vlog.
Dog. Sorry.
It's just a quick vlog. We just got done eating. I am so like full. My stomach kind of hurts actually. We went to Dairy Queen and I had 2 double cheeseburgers, plain, obviously no bun or whatever.
And a salad.
And then I had a grilled chicken BLT salad. And that's all I've eaten today. And that's all I'm going to eat today. I need to use the restroom badly. This is the longest flight of my entire life. And that's all I have to say.